Hello student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate welcomes you in 18th lecture of Econ 355. Course title is Structure and Dynamics of Indian Agriculture. In previous lecture, we studied about 5-year plan in which we studied in detail about 5-year plan, features of 5-year plan, then different growth rates and different policies during different 5-year plan. Okay, in today's lecture, we are going to learn about Niti Aayog in detail. Okay, so we studied Niti Aayog. So first point, that is introduction of Niti Aayog. Okay, so first of all, the long form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. Okay, long form of Niti Aayog, that is National Institution for Transforming India. Then second point, that is establishment of Niti Aayog. So this Niti Aayog was formed by a resolution of Union Cabinet on 1st January 2015. Okay, that means during 1st January 2015, this Niti Aayog was established. Then this Niti Aayog is premier policy think tank of Government of India. Okay, so it is the premier policy think tank of Government of India. Then this Niti Aayog provide both directional as well as policy inputs to Government of India. Okay, and one more, that is this Niti Aayog is non-statutory body. Okay, so these are the some points. And question, objective type of question may be asked on this point, like give long form of Niti Aayog, then give establishment of Niti Aayog, etc. Okay, after introduction of Niti Aayog, next point, that is objectives of Niti Aayog. So there are major two objectives of Niti Aayog. In that first one, that is to foster involvement and participation in economic policy making process by the Government of India. Okay, so first and major object of this Niti Aayog, that is to foster the involvement as well as participation in economic policy making process. Okay, then second objective is to bring the cooperative and competitive federalism and to improve center and state relationship. Okay, so this is the second objective, that is bring cooperative as well as competitive federalism and improve the central as well as state relationship. These are the some objectives of Niti Aayog. After objectives of Niti Aayog, next one, some basic features of Niti Aayog. Okay, so first one, that is Niti Aayog is basically represent the economic interests of state government and Union Territory of India, which the previous planning structure of commission structure lacked. Okay, instead of being a controlling seat, it is going to be provider of both directional as well as policy inputs to the Government of India. Okay, the Niti block provides the public access to the article, then field reports as well as published opinions of the officials. Okay, this is the Niti blog which provide public access. Okay, after that, next point, that is present members or present constitution of Niti Aayog. So present chairperson of Niti Aayog, that is Prime Minister of India, that is Sri Narendra Modi, is the present chairperson of Niti Aayog. Then vice chairperson of Niti Aayog is Dr. Rajiv Kumar. Okay, there are some full-time members. These full-time members are Sri V.K. Saraswat, then Professor Ramesh Chand, that is agricultural specialist, and Dr. V.K. Paul. These are the full-time members of Niti Aayog. After that, next one, that is ex officio members. So there are some ex officio members which include Sri Rajnath Singh, Sri Amit Shah, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, then Sri Narayan Singh Tomar, etc. Okay, then special invitees, Sri Nitin Gadkari, then Sri Thawar Chand Gehlot, Shri Piyush Goyal, and Shri Indrajit Singh, etc. Okay, and Chief Executive Officer of this Niti Aayog is Shri Amitabh Kant. Okay, these are the present constitution of Niti Aayog or present members of the Niti Aayog. The question may be asked on this topic like who is the chairperson of Niti Aayog? Now, present chairperson is Narendra Modi, but as usual, the chairperson of this Niti Aayog is the Prime Minister of India. Okay. After that, next point, that is functions and roles of Niti Aayog. Okay. So there are some functions in that. First one, that is to evolve the shared vision of national development with the active involvement of the state. Okay. So major and a role of this Niti Aayog is active involvement of state. Then second one, that is to develop credible plans at the village level and aggregate these at the higher levels of the government. Okay, so second role or function of Niti Aayog, that is to develop credible plan, that is first at village level and then at higher level of the government. Then next third function, that is to foster the cooperative federalism with the state on a continuous basis and recognizing that the strong state make strong nation. Okay, so another function, that is to make the faster cooperative federalism between state as well as center on continuous basis. Okay, these are the some functions. Then another functions, that is to focus on technology upgradation and implementation programs and initiatives. Okay, that is second and major function, that is technology upgradation. After that, next function, that is to encourage the partnership between national and international link minded, then think tanks as well as educational and research institution. Okay, so this Niti Aayog encourage the partnership between national and international level. Next one, that is to create the innovation and entrepreneur support system through the national and international export. Okay, then next function, that is to pay a special attention to these sections of our society that may not be adequately benefited from economic process. Okay, so these are the some functions as well as the role of Niti Aayog. Okay, after functions of Niti Aayog, some remaining functions, that is to offer a platform for resolution of interdepartmental issue. Next one, to maintain the state of the art resource center, then actively monitor and implement of programs and initiatives, and last one, that is to undertake the activities necessary for the national developmental agenda. Okay, so these are the some functions of Niti Aayog. The question may be asked on this topic like explain Niti Aayog in detail, or sometimes question may be asked like write short note on Niti Aayog. Okay, an objective type of question may be asked like long form of Niti Aayog, then give the establishment of Niti Aayog, then give the chairperson of Niti Aayog, or present chairperson of Niti Aayog, or vice chairperson of Niti Aayog. Okay, this is all about today's lecture, that is Niti Aayog. Okay, if any queries, please ask me. Okay, thank you all.